Hello and welcome, guys, to this interesting session of Azure Speech Service. In this session, we are going to use Azure Speech Service to convert text to speech and speech to text using Azure services. So, what is Azure Speech Service? The speech service is a unification of speech to text, text to speech, and speech translation into single Azure subscription. It's easy to speech enable your application, tools, and devices with Speech CLI, Speech SDK, and Speech Studio or REST API. So we are going to see two the kind, which is one is text to speech and speech to text. For that, we need to go to our Azure portal. So let's go to our Azure portal. So this is my Azure portal. Go to speech service, click on create. I'm going to create my speech service here. Okay. So here my subscription, and next my resource group, and my region is India. So I'm giving Central India. So let's give BRYT service. Price for now I am keeping free. Click on review and create. So it's got created. Sorry, validation passed. Let's click on create. Meanwhile, I created a Azure, a Blazor server app. So here I've added two menu. One is text to speech and speech to text. In text to speech, if I am writing something and I'm clicking speak, it will speak up the text I'm here. And speech to text, I'm after clicking this button, if I'm saying something, it will read right here. For that, we are going to use Microsoft.cognitive services.speech. Okay. So stop the application. Go to manage NuGet package. So I'm going to here manage NuGet package. Browse Microsoft.cognitive services.speech. Install this NuGet to your application. You can accept. So my speech service also created in the portal. So go to resource. So here you can find, click here to manage keys. So these are my keys and these are my region. Okay. So let's see. Okay, our NuGet also added. Save the application. So let's go to our text to speech, which is this ledger component. We need to add some namespaces here, which is this one. These three namespaces we need to add. Microsoft.cognitive services.speech, .speech.audio, .speech.translation. Here I added one input value using this string input value, and I have added one button and added the on click speak. Okay. Next one is we need to write a asynchronous task where I'm creating a var config equal to speech config dot from subscription. So if you go to my Azure portal and the speech service resource, so here is a key. So I'm doing copy paste here, and this is a region. So this one, my region will be Central India. So be careful when you are writing the region. And now you can see here I'm giving config.speech synthesize language and config.synthesize voice name. So if you go to Microsoft website, where you can see what are the language and language code. Okay. Now, and what are the voice also. If you come down, so you can see these are the voice. So I am using my language code as in India, English India, and English Neeraj Neural. Okay. Next, I'm going to call this asynchronous method inside my click event, which is calling by this speak button. Right? Let's run the application. Guys, after completing this session, I'm going to upload this source code to Google Drive and give you the link in my video description so that you can check out the source code also. Go to text to speech. So we see how to do text to speech. Now we are going to do speech to text. So for speech to text also I'm going to write, I'm going to speak something and automatically it will display here. So for that, stop the application from running, go to speech to text. Here also I need these particular namespaces, right? Next is I'm going to add one more asynchronous method, which is output speech recognitions, where it's recognizing the speech recognition result and displaying in the string, which string is binded to my input text box, right? Next, I'm going to write this line of code inside my click event, which is speech config from subscription, and my subscription ID is this one, which is newly created. And what is the speech recognition language? Then what is the default speech config default microphone input? Then it is going to this method to display the text, right? Let's go to this, run this application and see our speech to text is working or not. So go to speech to text. Hi, how are you? So you can see what I am saying, it is coming to here. So let's click on please subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like this video, give me a like. It really means a lot. Thank you very much.